Hello everyone, I'll show you in this session how you can actually perform digital forensics on your Windows system with this particular command. What this command is used for is going to show you who created a file, who deleted a file, who renamed, and also who might have changed your file permission on your Windows PC. So come with me, tap on your Windows and then type CMD and run it as administrator. When you do that, it will open up. Now you come to the screen and then type in this command. You're going to type in file system util. So in full, that's file system utility. Then space USN, which means update sequence number. Then space read journal. And then your C drive, point it to your C drive. So file system utility is the command that allows us to actually do this in the first place, to see the logs of our files that have been created, deleted, renamed, or permission changes or something. So hit enter, you are going to see the results. So it's going to take some time depending on how many number of files you have on your system. But then look at this. You can see this is the number, the USN number. So as you create new files on your system, this number will be adding up and all that. As you delete to, so on and so forth. Now look at the file name here, and then here you can see the reason, the length here. You can see the reason. So this reason can see this one is showing that the file was changed. Is it a kind of deletion? Is it creation or something? You're gonna see it right there. The date, you will see it there, and then the file attributes, you will see it there, and then plus other information that are relevant to your digital forensics, all right, information extraction and all that. So you will see all that. If you like this video, hit on the like button, share the video as well, and also if you're interested in our live sessions to learn more about CompTIA A Plus and our digital forensic courses, you can actually use the available means to reach out to us, and we'll be happy to enroll you. All right, thank you so much, and see you.